Magnesium is an absolutely essential mineral. You've probably already heard a lot about it. But actually, not enough, given how important it is for our health. It plays a crucial role in over 600 chemical reactions in our body. And yet, probably 3 out of 4 people lack magnesium without even realizing it. Without it, our entire body can start to break down. Fatigue, sleep disturbances, cramps, and many more symptoms. In this video, I'll explain why this mineral is so important for your health and how to spot the signs of a deficiency. Of course, we'll also look at how to fix it. Fatigue that doesn't go away, even after a good night's sleep, can be a clear sign of a magnesium deficiency. It plays a key role in energy production at the cellular level. Magnesium directly impacts the function of mitochondria, those small energy factories in our cells. When magnesium is lacking, these mitochondria can't produce the energy the body needs. As a result, even after a night of rest, you feel exhausted, as if you haven't recovered. But that's not all. Magnesium is also essential for regulating cortisol levels, the stress hormone. When you're deficient, cortisol levels can remain high, increasing the feeling of chronic fatigue and exhaustion. Persistent fatigue caused by a lack of magnesium can affect both active individuals and those less exposed to stress. It manifests as a general sense of weariness, difficulty concentrating, and a heavy feeling that doesn't go away, even after periods of rest. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating the nervous system. When present in sufficient amounts, it helps calm certain nerve reactions, particularly by regulating neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and glutamate. These chemical substances play a major role in managing stress and anxiety. In the case of a deficiency, the nervous system becomes more sensitive. It then becomes harder to handle stressful situations. Anxiety intensifies, thoughts race, and it's difficult to calm down. If you constantly feel tense or worried, a magnesium deficiency could be the cause. Magnesium plays a key role in managing muscle contractions. It works alongside calcium, balancing the processes of muscle contraction and relaxation. When magnesium is lacking, calcium takes over, causing involuntary muscle contractions, which lead to cramps. These cramps can manifest in different ways. A muscle that suddenly stiffens, like a leg cramping during the night, or even a simple twitch in the eyelid. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating the nervous system, particularly in managing neurotransmitters responsible for relaxation and sleep onset. A deficiency can disrupt this function, making sleep less restorative and more fragmented. You may then have trouble falling asleep or wake up frequently during the night without being able to fall back asleep. Magnesium plays a key role in regulating the circulatory and cardiovascular systems. It helps maintain stable blood pressure by acting on blood vessels, allowing them to relax. When the body lacks magnesium, blood vessels constrict more easily, which can lead to headaches, including migraines. Furthermore, magnesium is essential for the proper functioning of the heart, particularly in regulating the heart rate. A deficiency can cause palpitations, those irregular or too rapid heartbeats, often perceived as discomfort. It's really important to keep in mind that magnesium deficiency can disrupt blood circulation and the heart, leading to these unpleasant symptoms. Finally, magnesium also plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. It helps regulate the action of insulin, the hormone responsible for sugar absorption by cells. In the case of magnesium deficiency, insulin becomes less effective, preventing optimal glucose absorption. As a result, sugar remains in the blood and can lead to an imbalance in blood sugar levels. This phenomenon can worsen insulin resistance, particularly in people predisposed to diabetes or already diabetic. It's essential to maintain an adequate level of magnesium to prevent prolonged blood sugar spikes and thus avoid metabolic complications. When it comes to magnesium deficiency, many people think a blood test might be enough to detect the problem. But it's not that simple. In reality, the magnesium circulating in the blood represents only a small fraction of the total amount in our body. Only about 1% of magnesium is found in the blood, while the majority is stored in the bones and cells. A blood test can therefore give normal results, even if your tissues are suffering from a deficiency. That's why it's important to pay attention to the symptoms and not rely solely on a blood test to diagnose magnesium deficiency. The symptoms are what matter. If you've noticed signs of magnesium deficiency, you can try to remedy it by incorporating more into your diet. Several foods are naturally rich in magnesium and can help fill this gap. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach or kale are excellent sources. Seeds and nuts, especially almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews, are also powerful allies for your magnesium intake. Legumes like black beans and lentils, as well as whole grains like quinoa and oats, also provide a good dose of magnesium. Finally, dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, is an interesting source of magnesium, to be consumed in moderation. By adjusting your diet with these foods, you can effectively contribute to your magnesium levels. But often, unfortunately, changing your diet alone won't be enough. In that case, it may be very helpful to take magnesium in the form of dietary supplements. And that's exactly what we'll cover in the next video. If this one helped you, please click the like button. Also, thank you for sharing it with your loved ones and leaving a comment if you're already taking magnesium supplements. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay informed about the upcoming videos. In the meantime, most importantly, take care of yourself.